Hello friends, welcome back once again in the video lecture series of digital electronics. Today I am going to teach you BCD. The full form of BCD is binary coded decimal. Before teaching you BCD in depth and its application, let us talk some basic facts about decimal number system and binary number system. As we all know that decimal number system is represented as to the base 10, which is understandable by human, right? And to the base 2 is the binary number system, which is understandable by computer system. So, in order to make the computer system so as to understand the human language, this number system, that is decimal number system, must have to be converted into binary number system, because we know that computer system does not understand decimal number system. So decimal number system has to be converted into binary number system, which understands only two values, that is 0 and 1, right? So till now, in my previous video, I have already explained how the decimal number system can be converted into binary number system by convergence, right? Today I am going to extend my lecture on conversion of decimal number system into binary coded decimal, right? And I will explain you how exactly this decimal number system is being converted into computer system understandable form, right? So basically, to convert decimal number system to binary number system, here I am just writing decimal number system, decimal, this is binary, right? So in order to convert decimal number system into binary number system, BCD has played an important role, right? Through BCD, we can easily convert decimal number system into binary number system, right? Now, by using BCD, it is fast and efficient way to convert decimal number system into binary number system. Now, I am going to explain you basically how it works. Say for example, if a decimal number system is given in n bits, suppose decimal number system is given in n bits to the power to the base 10 is given in n bits. So how many bits is needed in our BCD? So for this BCD in decimal number system, we must have to have 4 n bits. 4 n bits, right? Okay. For example, if the number of bits is in decimal number system, if it is single digit, then for binary number system we must have to have 4 bits, right? If we are having 2 bits in decimal number system, then we have to have 8 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? And in this way it works. So just I am explaining these two things by taking some example, and then I will give a comparison between a confusion which may occur in students mind always. So आज के लेक्चर में मैं आपको ये बताने की कोशिश करूंगा कि किसी भी डेसिमल का बीसीडी कोड क्या होता है और किसी भी डेसिमल का बाइनरी इक्विवेलेंट क्या होता है. Please make sure that BCD is not equals to the binary equivalent. I am repeating once again, किसी भी डेसिमल सिस्टम, किसी भी डेसिमल नंबर का BCD कोड अलग होता है और उसका बाइनरी इक्विवेलेंट अलग होता है. I am going to explain you by taking some examples, right? After that, I will give you one comparative study by which you will be able to understand the difference between BCD and binary equivalent. So here I am taking 4 examples, and with this 4 example, I will try to clear your all the confusions regarding how decimal number system is converted into BCD code, right? Okay, to start with all these 4 problems, right, let us know that first of all, basically we are assigning only 4 bits binary digit for the representation or for the conversion of decimal number system into binary decimal code, right? Initially we try to have only 4 binary digits, or if it exceeds, then only we will go for multiple of 4. That means, जो last time अभी just थोड़ी देर पहले मैंने बताया था, if the decimal number system is having only a single bit, तो हमारा 4 bit binary digits में हमारा काम चल जाएगा. But if it is of 2 bits, that is, if it is decimal is represented in 2 bits, then we have to take, instead of 4, 8 bit has to be taken. Let's see how, and we will also see what is the advantages and disadvantages of BCD, right? Till now I have already told you the advantage of BCD is it is efficient and faster process to convert decimal number system to binary number system. But here I will show you where it is having some disadvantages, right? So take some example one by one. First of all, I will take the second example, that is n to the base 10. That means 9 to the base 10. That means it is in decimal number system. So what is the binary equivalent of 9? I know binary equivalent of 9 is, first of all, how many digits is there? So I am just for reference, I am giving you, if decimal number system has n bits, right? Then for BCD, system needs 4n bits. 4n bits, right? Fine. So just first of all take the first question as 9. So what is the binary equivalent of 9? Binary equivalent of 9 is 1001. That means here 9 is having single digit, right? So for representing 9 in BCD, we must have to have 4 digits. So 4 binary digits. How? This is 4. That is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what is the binary equivalent of 9? Binary equivalent of 9 is 1001. So we can just put it here as 1001. Right? Okay. But just come to the second one. What is the second one? That is 25 to the base 10 is given. Now just see. What I have written here, if decimal number system is having n number system, then what is going to be happen? We have to take 4n bits, right? Okay. 4n bits means what? 4n bits means what? 4 into n, any 4 into 2. That is 8 bits we are requiring, right? We are requiring 8 bits. And for your understanding, better understanding, what you have to do, just separate it. 2 का अलग BCD निकाल दिया और 5 का अलग BCD निकाल दिया, right? So 2 का binary equivalent क्या होगा? 10, right? This is the binary equivalent of what? 2. What is the binary equivalent of 5101? But this is the binary equivalent, not BCD. If this has to be changed in BCD, we have to put 20 in this side, in left side, and similarly for 5, we have to write this as a. So what will be our this one? This is our BCD of 25, right? But please make sure this is not the binary equivalent of 25. मेरे ख्याल से बात समझ में आ रही होगी, right? Next, third example में देखते हैं. Third example we are how much we are having? We are having 100. So in 100, let's see 100 में कितने digits हैं? 3 digits हैं, right? How many digits are there? 3 digits. So how many binary digits are required? 12 binary digits. Or simply you can understand, or simply you can remember that जितने भी digits हैं सबके अलग अलग BCD निकाल लीजिए. तो 1 का BCD क्या होगा? 0001, right? उसी तरीके से 0 का क्या होगा? 0 0 0 and 0, right? उसी तरीके से थर्ड का क्या होगा आपका? 0 0 0 0. सो आपका टोटल आपका बीसीडी क्या हो जाएगा? ये आपका बीसीडी हो गया. प्लीज रिमेंबर वन थिंग, बीसीडी ऑल्सो विल बी represented in binary number system only, but the value of BCD and binary equivalent will be different. Please don't be confused. Later on कुछ देर के बाद मैं एक comparative study करके मैं दिखाऊंगा कि आखिर BCD कोड में और इसमें क्या क्या डिफरेंस था, और तब मैं बताऊंगा कि इसके कहां इसके डिसएडवांटेजेस हैं, राइट? सो सबसे पहले आप ये देख लीजिए कन्वर्जन कैसे होता है, राइट? नेक्स्ट, नाउ कम टू 537. Shall I explain it here? Yeah. So 537. How 537 will be written for 5? What will be BCD code? 0101, right? For 3, how much? 11 is there, but I will pad 00 here. So 0011, right? And for 7, it will be your 111, so 0111. So full BCD code of this number is of 537 will be 0101 0011 and 0111 to the base 2, right? Okay, now I am going to represent some numbers, some conversion, and through the conversion I will reach to a point where I will show you the disadvantage of BCD code. For that, let us assume that if no constraint is given to us, then we will just take 4 binary digits to represent any number, right? So 4 binary digit number will be as such that in BCD code we will write it as 8 4 2 1. See, what is 8421? This is the representation of BCD code, right? To refer you that we are using only 4 bits to represent binary number, right? Okay, fine. How it is possible? That is 8 4 2 1. This will be your like this and 8, right? So 8 means what? 2 raised to power, it will start from 0, it will start from 1, 2 and 3. So 2 raised to power 3 is 8, 2 raised to power 2 is 4, 2 raised to power 1 is 2, 2 raised to power 0 is 1. For that reason we have used that is BCD is represented as 8421 to represent 4 binary digits. Okay, now see what is how it goes. For 0, the BCD code will be 0000. For 1, it is 0001. For 2, it is 0010. For 3, it is 0011. For 4, it is 0100. For 5, it is 0101. For 6 it is 0 1 1 0. For 7 it is 0 1 1 1. Okay. For 8 it is 1 0 0. For 9 it is 1 0 0 1. For 10 it is how much? 1 0 1 0. For 11 it is 1 0 1 1. For 12 it is 1 1 0 0. For 13 it is 1 1 0 1. For 14 it is 1 1 1 0. And for 15 it is 1 1 1 1. Now see, what is the disadvantage of BCD? Right? Here we are having 4 bits, right, to represent binary number. And obviously, if we count the decimal numbers from 0 to 15, we can easily use these 4 bits for representation. But while talking about BCD, this section after 10 to 15, this is going to be wasteful, right? 4 बिट होने के बावजूद भी आप इन नंबर्स को कभी भी BCD में रिप्रेजेंट नहीं कर सकते हैं। अब इन नंबर्स को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए क्या है, चूंकि मैंने बताया था थोड़ी देर पहले इसी वीडियो में कि इफ यू आर हैविंग सिंगल डिजिट इन डेसिमल नंबर, सो यू शुड हैव 4 बिट इन बाइनरी। इफ यू आर हैविंग डबल डिजिट, सो यू हैव टू हैव 8 बिट्स। अगर इसी को 8 बिट्स में अगर हमें करना है तो क्या करना पड़ेगा, तो इस पैटर्न को मींस अगर 4 बिट पे ही लेना है तो ये जो है 10 11 12 13 14 विल बी वेस्टेड, क्योंकि इस नंबर को हम वहां पे यूज कर ही नहीं सकते चाहे हमारे पास स्पेस हो। दिस इज द ड्रॉबैक ऑफ BCD, and for this representation you have to take the second multiple of 4, that means 8 bit you have to take। और अगर इसको करना है तो the representation will be entirely different। I am just telling you how it goes, how to represent 0 to 15. So for that you have to take, for 0 you have to take 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 like this, right? 1 का क्या होगा? 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1, right? 2 का क्या होगा? 0 0 0 0, right? 0 0 1 0। Now if up to 9 तक तो ये तो चलिए समझ में आता है। Now suppose अगर हम 10 लेंगे तो क्या होगा, 11 लेंगे तो क्या होगा, 12 लेंगे तो क्या होगा, 13 लेंगे तो क्या होगा, 14 लेंगे तो क्या होगा, 15 लेंगे तो क्या होगा। So 10 को कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे? 10 में से फर्स्ट जो है वो 1 है, so it will be your how much? 0 0 0 1 and next will be 0 0 0 0. This will be your for 1 and this will be your for 0। मेरे ख्याल से बात बिल्कुल अच्छी तरीके से समझ में आ रही होगी। नेक्स्ट फॉर 1 1, सो 1 1 में हम करेंगे द सेपरेट वन विल बी कैलकुलेटेड, राइट? सो फॉर दिस वन इट विल बी योर 0 0 0 1 एंड फॉर दिस वन 0 0 0 1। फॉर 12 इट विल बी योर 0 0 0 1 एंड फॉर 2 इट विल बी योर 0 0 1 0। फॉर 13 फॉर 1 का हो जाएगा 0 0 0 1 and 0 0 1 1 like this। Similarly for 14 what we going to happen? 0 0 0 1 for 1 and for 4 0 0 1 0, and for 15 it will be your 0 0 1 for this one, and for 5 it will be your 0 1 0 1, 1 0 0। Please make the correction। So I have already told you the difference between representation of single digit, and in single digit representation you cannot take hexadecimal codes which starts from 10 11 12 13 14 15। If you want to implement a hexadecimal code to BCD, you have to follow this pattern, that initially you have to take the 8 bits to represent 0 also, right? if you are talking about hexadecimal code, then for 0 also you have to take how much? 8 bits, binary digits. Fine. Then next. Next, just have a comparison between the binary equivalent of a decimal number with its binary coded decimal, right? Okay, fine. So here I have taken two examples. In first example, I have written 246 to the base 10. That means this is the decimal number system, and its binary equivalent is, this is the binary equivalent, that is 11101110. You can well calculate it by your own, right? And second example is 538 to the base 10, that is, it is also in decimal number system, and the binary equivalent of this is 10000111010, right? Now just I am calculating here its binary coded decimal, then I will give you the comparative result between the binary equivalent and binary coded decimal. So let's start with the first one, right? That is 246. How 246 will be represented? So take separately binary equivalent of each in 4-bit representation. So 2 will be represented as 10, but in BCD code it will be your 0010, right? Fine. How 4 will be represented? 4 will be your 100, but in BCD it will be your 0100. How 6 will be represented? It will be your how much? It will be your 110, and just put 10 here. So the BCD of 246 will be something like this. Okay? See the difference. That means binary equivalent of any decimal is not equals to its BCD. That's what I want to tell you. क्योंकि स्टूडेंट्स में हमेशा ये डाउट रहा है कि सर बाइनरी इक्विवेलेंट और बीसीडी में क्या फर्क है? सी बाइनरी इक्विवेलेंट इज द कन्वर्जन ऑफ डेसिमल इक्विवेलेंट इनटू बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम, बट हु डज इट? ये करता कौन है? इट इज डन बाय योर बीसीडी सिस्टम, राइट? It is done by your BCD system, right? And in that BCD number system generally represents any binary number, any decimal number system into binary number system with having 4 binary digits, right? Okay. Now let's take the second one, that is 538. Okay. So 538 will be how much? You can take 5 here, you can take 3 here, you can take 8 here, right? So 5 can be represented as how much? 101, but in binary coded decimal it will be a 0101, right? Fine. How 3 will be represented? It is 11, but we can tag 00 to the left. Okay. What about 8? 8 can be represented as 1000. So this will be represented in your what? This will be your BCD equivalent of 538. Now again see the difference. This is the binary equivalent and this is the BCD equivalent, right? and see once again that whether this binary equivalent is correct or not. So we can just check it with a short trick, and this short trick was given by me only, right? In any book you are not going to see the short trick, which is going, already I have explained this in number system, but still for your better reference here we can see once again that whether this binary equivalent is correct or not. See, I'll just put this number, it is 1111 and 0110. Okay, fine. So मैंने ऑलरेडी बताया था, मुझे पता है कि 41 इज इक्वल टू होता है 15 होता है डेसिमल इक्विवेलेंट में। 15 का डबल कितना हो गया 30। देखिए अगर आपको अगर समझ में नहीं आ रहा होगा तो मेरे इस वीडियो को दोबारा से आप रिवाइंड कर लीजिएगा प्लीज, या नहीं तो इसके पहले भी मैंने इसके ऊपर मैंने एक शॉर्ट ट्रिक के ऊपर मैंने एक वीडियो बनाया है, आप उसको भी देख सकते हैं, राइट? ओके फाइन। फिर 30 फिर यहां जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा, इट विल बिकम 60 प्लस 1 61, राइट? ओके, अब 61 अगर इस 1 के पास जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा 61 2 122 प्लस 1 इज 123, राइट? और 123 जब इस 0 के पास जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा 246, यानी कि ये जो आंसर है 246 बिल्कुल सही है, राइट? क्लियर? ओके, नेक्स्ट जस्ट गो थ्रू दिस वन। आप कोशिश कीजिए, मैं आप लोगों के साथ कोशिश करता हूं, राइट? व्हाट इज गिवन हियर 140 is given, 110 is given, 10 110 and 10 is given there, right? So this is how much 16, I know। अगर आपको अगर पता नहीं तो आप 100 से भी शुरू कर सकते हैं, राइट? या 100 से भी शुरू कर सकते हैं, बट आई नो दैट 4 zeros with 1 is known as 16। अभी अगर यहां जाएगा तो क्या होगा 16 2 32 प्लस 1 33, राइट? ओके, और यहां पे जाएगा तो क्या होगा 33 2 66 प्लस 1 67, ओके। यहां जाएगा तो क्या होगा 67 का डबल कितना हो जाएगा, अब देखिए थोड़ा मुझे भी निकालना होगा। इट विल बी योर 4, दैट इज 134, राइट? दैट मींस हियर इट विल बी हाउ मच 134। नाउ ठीक है, 134 का डबल अगर करेंगे तो क्या होगा, 134 का डबल करेंगे तो यस इट विल बी योर 134 प्लस 134, दैट इज योर दिस 8, this will be your 6 and this will be your 268, right? 268 plus 1 okay, now just check this one also, second question, right? So it will be your 1 double 00040 11 10। हम क्या चेक कर रहे हैं कि ये जो बाइनरी इक्विवेलेंट ये 538 का है, राइट? सो मुझे पता है कि ये पूरा 16 के बराबर होता है, करेक्ट? अगर आपको अगर नहीं मालूम है तो आप 100 का भी ले सकते हैं या 10 से भी शुरू कर सकते हैं, बट द स्कीम विल बी, द प्रोसेस विल बी द सेम, राइट? ये 16 हुआ यहाँ पे, अब ये 16 जब यहाँ पे जाएगा तो क्या होगा 16 का डबल प्लस 1 यानी कि 33 हो जाएगा यहाँ पे, क्लियर? ओके, अब ये 33 जब यहाँ पे जाएगा तो क्या होगा 33 का डबल कितना होगा 66 प्लस 1 कितना होगा 67, राइट? ओके, ये 67 जब यहाँ पे जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा दिस विल बी, इसका डबल कितना हो जाएगा 4 and 134। ओके, सो बिफोर वाइंडिंग अप of BCD, let's have a discussion on advantages and applications, main applications and advantages of BCD. Basically, the advantage of BCD is in 7-segment display decoder. Basically, it is used in 7-segment display decoder in which we are having BCD as input, and in BCD, how many inputs are there? In BCD, we are having the input from 0 to 9, and we are having 7 segments like this. you can easily write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is a individually line is known as segment. So there are 7 lines, so 7 segment display. And why 7 segment display is used? 7 segment display is used to represent the digital data, right? It is used to display the digital data, right? So any number which comes under decimal number system, it goes through some circuit, digital circuit or electronic circuit, and through the electronic circuit, finally whatever we are going to input here, we will get the same output in the digital data display, right? Say for example, digital clock, right? So I have already explained this example in display decoder. So if you want to see about display decoder in depth, you can see, and you can see the application of 7 segment, how 7 segment is used to represent this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, right? Thank you so much. Now next very important topic, let us discuss about binary access 3 code. So as the name indicates, access 3 means what? Whatever the number which is given to you in decimal numbers, right? Just add the 3 in each bit, right? Okay, and whatever the resultant will be there, so take the separate binary coded decimal of each and every digit. So I am taking some examples, and through examples I would like to tell you that what is the binary access 3 code of any number. So how the question will be there. So first question, just calculate binary access 3 code of the following. Say suppose 189 to the base 10. Second, just take it as, okay, 52 to the base 10. Okay, next just take third question as 126 to the base 10. Okay, so before telling you what will be the access 3 code of the following, just I will give a small hint that for 9 the binary code is 1001, for 10 1010, for 11 1011, and for 12 1100. I am not going to calculate 30, 40, 50 and so on. Why? Just I will tell you. Okay. Whatever the number which is given here in the question, we have to take the number individually and just add each bit with 3. Suppose 189 is there, so please rewrite 189 once again, 189 separately, and please add 3 individually to each and every bit. That is plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. Please take note of that, it is not 333. Right? I am just individually adding each bit with 3, not adding by 333. So what I will get? Here I will get 4, here I will get 11, here I will get 12. Right? So what is the binary equivalent of 4? That is 100. Right? And in 4 bit it will be represented as 0100. What will be the binary decimal of, binary equivalent of 11? Binary equivalent of 11 will be 1011. So it will be a 1011. It can be expressed in these 4 bits only. Fine. What is the addition of 9 plus 3? It is 12, and 12 can be also rewritten as 1100. So binary access 3 code of 189 is equals to 0100, 1011 and 1100 to the base 2. Right? I think so. You got the point? Okay. Just take, if not, just take the second example as 52. 52, right? So 52 will be individually added by 3. So add 5 with 3, add 5 with 2 with 3. Don't assume that 52 is added by 33, right? We have to add every individual bit of digit by 3. So what will be its answer? It will be your 8 and it will be your 5. So how 8 will be represented in binary equivalent? That is 1000, right? What is 5? 5 will be your 101, but if you are going to represent it in 4 digit, then it will be like this. So what will be its binary equivalent? 1000, I am writing here, shall I write? 1000 0101 to the base 2. Please don't forget to use your base 2. Okay. Next is 126. So same 1, 2, 6 will be taken separately. Adding 3. What I will get? This will be your 4. This will be your 5, and this will be your how much? 9. Is it? Yes. So how 4 will be represented? It will be represented as 0, 1, 0, right? It will be as 0, 1, 0, 1, and this will be represented as 1, 0, 1. So what will be its answer? 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, and 1, 0, 1 to the base 2. Now, right now, before starting teaching you binary access tree code, I have listed down for 3 numbers, that is 10, 11, 12, and I have told you that I am not calculating for 13, 14, 15 and so on. Why it is so? Because in the single digit number, the maximum, the largest number is 9. The largest number is 9 for the single digit number, right? And if 9 will be added by 3, the resultant will be 12. So, what is the solution? What is the conclusion? Not solution, sorry. The conclusion is that individually also we will not going to get the result individually more than 12. 12 से 12 से ज़्यादा हमें इंडिविजुअली कोई भी हमें रिजल्ट नहीं मिलेगा. तभी मैंने सिर्फ यहाँ पे 10, 11 और 12 का बाइनरी इक्विवेलेंट लिखा हुआ है. सो मेरे ख्याल से ये आपको अच्छी तरीके से समझ में आ गया होगा कि बाइनरी एक्सेस ट्री कोड का यूज किस तरीके से होता है. अगर क्वेश्चन अगर इस तरीके से आता है, यहाँ पे प्लीज एक चीज को ध्यान में रखना है कि अगर 3 डिजिट नंबर है तो ऐसा नहीं कि आप उसको 333 से आप उसको ऐड कर दें. नहीं तो होगा क्या कि गलती से क्या कीजिएगा आप कि 9 + 3 = 12 हुआ तो 12 का 2 और बैलेंस यहाँ पे आप 1 कर दीजिएगा कैरी, तो आंसर आपका टोटली आपका गलत हो जाएगा. प्लीज डोंट डू सच टाइप ऑफ मिस्टेक. टेक द एवरी बिट इंडिविजुअली and add every bit with 3 individually, take the resultant and individually take its binary equivalent, and that will be your binary access tree code of any number.